How transport companies clean container trucks faster and stay compliant. If you are running a transport company with a fleet of container trucks moving in and out every single day, this is one problem you probably deal with more often than you would like. Keeping your vehicle clean, consistent, and compliant with environmental standards without slowing down operation. Because let's be honest, washing container trucks, the driving away is slow, labor-intensive, and highly inconsistent. Some trucks are cleaned properly, some are rushed, and during peak hours, the whole process can easily turn into a bottleneck. Now imagine this instead. Every truck entering or leaving your yard goes through a system that cleans it quickly, evenly, and without depending on how many workers you have that day. No delay, no uneven result, and no stress about mud, dirt, or debris being carried out onto public road. That's exactly why more transport companies are starting to looking at automatic container wash system, especially brush-based solutions designed specifically for large vehicles. These systems are not just about cleaning, these are about maintaining a standard. When your trucks are consistently clean, your brand image improves, your operation runs smoother, and you reduce the risk of environmental complaint or vandalism, which has become more important than ever in many reasons. We have worked with business that's used to rely entirely on manual washing, dealing with high labor costs, unpredictable results, and constant management issues. Workers get tired, they take day off, quality varies, and the more trucks you have, the harder it becomes to control everything. But once you implemented an automated system, things start to change. The washing process became faster, more predictable, and much easier to manage. Instead of worrying about whether the truck was cleaned properly, they could focus on moving more vehicles through the yards efficiently. And here is something many people don't realize first. This is not just a cost-saving solution. It is actually a scalability solution. Because when your fleet grows, the system can keep up. You don't need to keep hiring more workers just to maintain the same level of cleanliness. You are building a process that works whether you have a 10 trucks or 100. Another key factor is environmental control. In many countries, regulations around dust, mud, and waste from transport vehicles are becoming stricter. A properly designed automatic wash system has content and manage that, keeping your facility cleaner and reducing the risk of fines or complaints from surrounding area. And let's talk about time, because in logistics, time is everything. Every minute a truck is waiting to be cleaned manually is the minutes it's not moving, not delivering, not generating revenue. With an automatic brush system, the cleaning process becomes part of the flow, not a disruption. Trucks go in, get cleaned quickly and consistently, and get back on the road. It's simple, but it makes a huge difference over time. Now, if you are thinking this sounds like a big step, you're right. It is a step forward. But the real question is not whether automation is coming into this industry, because it already is. The real question is whether you want to adopt it early and gain an advantage, or wait until it's become a necessity and you are forced to catch up. We are not just providing a machine, we are helping business build a more efficient, scalable, and professional operation. And every project is different. The size of your yard, the number of trucks, your daily flow, all of these factors matter when designing the right solution. So if you are currently managing a fleet container truck and looking for the way to improve efficiency, maintain consistent cleanliness, and stay ahead of environmental requirements, this might be something worth exploring. If you want to see how the system could fit into operation, or you would like to get a real assessment based on your current setup, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us directly. We are happy to walk you through the process, share real case studies, and help you understand what this could look like for your business. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about cleaning trucks. It's about building a system that keeps your entire operation moving smoothly.